Huawei has expanded its MateBook lineup by launching the new MateBook 14 and the MateBook 13 on the regional market. We had a couple of days to play around with the MateBook 14 and we came away really impressed. Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice, and today in this video we're going to show you why the MateBook 14 is one of the best ultra portable productivity laptops out there on the market. The Huawei MateBook 14 is an elegant, thin and light laptop. It is built into an aluminum chassis which is robust and polished. This 14-inch all-rounder also comes packed with a full view display and super slim bezels on all four sides of the panel, giving you an 88% screen to body ratio. You get a 2K resolution at 2160 by 1440 pixels and a pixel density of 185 ppi. The aspect ratio stands at 3:2, which allows you to view more content than a traditional aspect ratio of 16:9 seen on most laptops out there on the market. The contrast ratio also stands at 1500:1, while the peak brightness is pegged at 300 nits. The laptop is also TUV Rheinland certified for low blue light. This means the Huawei MateBook 14 screen can reduce the blue light that strains the eyes over time. Simply select Eye Comfort mode to automatically adjust the white balance and color tone to protect your retina, allowing you to work and play in optimal comfort. Under the hood, the Huawei MateBook 14 is powered by the latest Intel 11th generation i5 or i7 processor. It is also paired with up to 16 GB of RAM for more powerful multitasking experience. You also get up to 512 GB of SSD storage to save all your necessary files. The Huawei MateBook 14 is also part of the company's super device family. This means you get loads of collaboration features. With the Huawei multi-screen collaboration feature, you get to choose between 3 different modes. So as you can see over here, the mirror mode allows you to mirror the Huawei MateBook 14 screen to a tablet display of the Huawei MatePad Pro. What this lets you do is to directly work on files and annotate documents or draw or sketch with the Huawei M Pencil of the tablet. You can also use the extend mode, as you can see here, which transforms the Huawei MatePad Pro into a second screen. This provides extra screen space to display more content, which is great for online shopping or when you're browsing the internet and there are so many items to explore. And finally, the Collaborate mode helps you with cross-platform interactions. You can now transfer content such as text, images, and documents between connected devices with a simple drag and drop. The Huawei multi-screen collaboration feature also expands to your Huawei smartphone. If you own a Huawei smartphone such as the new Nova 8, you can tap your phone on the touch board. This will allow you to transform your smartphone such as the Nova 8 and the Huawei MateBook 14 into one super device even without an internet connection. The MateBook 14 also comes with a 65-watt supercharge capability, which gives you 2.5 hours of battery life from just a 15-minute charge. In addition, the laptop's 56-watt-hour battery offers up to 11 hours of battery life, which is impressive. The Huawei MateBook 14 is available in the UAE at prices starting at 3699 dirhams, and the MateBook 13 starts at a price point of 3499 dirhams. So if you're looking to buy the new Huawei MateBook 14, it is now available for pre-orders at a special price of 3,399 dirhams with gifts worth 739 dirhams. Now this includes the Huawei FreeBuds Pro and a door-to-door free delivery. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos get posted. Thanks for watching.